Here we go again, Sully Gang, back with another one. New item to add to the collection. Boom, Glock. Let's open it up. Glock 26, 9mm. Ooh. You see what it come with? 3 10-round mags. Lock. Back strap. Cleaning brush. Clear. Had to get a little extension for the mag. I got under grip on this side. Had to put a little extension on that thing, a little grip. Get that 12-round mag. Throw it in there and hang out like right here. Had that pinky to hold on to something. Nice little sights on there. Then it comes with the warranty. Ooh. A little paperwork in there. But then I also jumped on this. Ooh. Why do the 10? When you get through the 31 with one in the head. Look how I look with the 10. And look at this. Good God, going to work. Jeez. Good God. You gotta stay tuned. Fire this thing off at the lane. Just so y'all can compare it to something. See how big this is? We got a 50 cal bullet. Look at this. So if you check out my videos, you'll see the 50 cal getting shot. But yeah, this is the Glock 26. Look how big it is. Thing fit right in your hand. You could still carry this with no problem. Hide that thing anywhere you want. It's good though, a little compact. Woo. Dead right. Go get you one. Check out my next videos. Like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't seen all the videos, go check them out.